What's the meaning of bedstead? Bedstead. Bedstead.
Bedstead. Bedstead. A bedstead refers to the frame or structure that supports a mattress on a bed. Unlike a simple mattress, which can be placed on the floor or any other flat surface, a bedstead is designed specifically to elevate the mattress off the ground and provide support for the sleeper. Bedsteads come in a variety of materials such as wood, metal and upholstered framework, and can feature headboards, footboards, and side rails. The term bedstead is also commonly used to refer to antique or vintage bed frames, which often have ornate designs and intricate details, and are considered collectible items among enthusiasts of period furniture.